This character looks incredible, but it's silent. Let's give it a voice.
First, we need audio. We'll skip the recording booth and use the built-in narration tool right here.
With our audio track ready, there's just one click left to bring him to life.
EdgeCut AI is now analyzing that audio and perfectly animating Sparky's mouth to match the dialogue.
And here is the final result. Perfect lip sync, all done in a few seconds inside the editor.
Time to light up the ideas. My agent just called. Says I'm not allowed to do my own stunts anymore.